Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Welcome back to another new toy collecting videos. Wow, nice, many nice color toys. Wow, yellow color racing car. Wow, yellow, red color, green color, red color, orange and blue combination. Many colorful toys. Wow, nice, nice. Wow, this is a green color dump truck. Wow, nice. Wow, wow, so wonderful. Wow, nice. Wow, wow. It is a police Lamborghini, red color. Wow, nice. Wow, nice police Lamborghini car. Wow, this is a red color soda can transporting racing car. Wow, nice. Wow, very wonderful. Wow, nice. Wow, it is a orange and blue combination big dump truck. Wow, nice. Wow, so powerful dump truck. Wow, this is a yellow color racing car. Wow, nice. Racing solar can transporting car. Wow, nice. Wow, very beautiful. Wow, it is a army victorious tank. Wow, wow, so powerful. Wow, this is a mini yellow color auto rickshaw. Wow, CNG auto rickshaw. Nice. Wow, nice CNG auto rickshaw. Another pink and white combination CNG auto rickshaw. Wow, nice. Wow, nice. Wow, another green and yellow combination army victorious tank. Wow, wow, nice. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye.